I started up my fountain for the first time for the season just tonight, and I wanted to show you a couple things about it. Mainly I purged a bunch of old leaves and stuff that was up in the basin area, and now it's all out into my pool. But there's something I wanted to show you about the skimmer that I figured out this year, and it has to do with the depth of the pool. If you look at my the surface of the pool here, you'll see a lot of debris floating. That's because it was flushed directly out of the fountain just a few minutes ago. And over here is my skimmer. I want to show you how well that skimmer is sucking in right now. See if I can get a good enough view of the debris that's flowing into it. I'm actually going to throw a little bit more debris in so you can see it. You get a little idea of the current that it's drawing. And I'll explain to you in a couple minutes why that's drawing so well. There's some of it going in now. So when I first got this house, I didn't know anything about pools at all. It was a bank repo, and I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing. And I noticed that my pool skimmer was just ineffective. And I went out and I bought some different add-on skimmers that float on the surface, and one that attached to one of the jets, and it just never seemed to work right. And I thought, well, why is my main skimmer not working? And then it dawned on me, I had my pool water set too high. I actually had the water level going up near where you can see the lime deposits, or maybe it's calcium deposits, are. And so the throat of the skimmer was just full of water. So a lot of the water that it was drawing in was actually water that was below the surface by a couple of inches. And so this spring I actually lowered the water level, and the amount of current pulling into that skimmer is just drastically improved. And I just started the pump for today, and by the time this cycles off, this the surface of this pool will be absolutely free of debris. Unless, of course, a windstorm kicks up in the middle of the night and I get my get leaves blowing off. But as far as on a calm night, I'm running this pump for about 8 hours, and it will completely and utterly clear the surface of this pool. So anyway, if you're having problems with your skimmer, consider lowering the height down to just maybe 2.5 inches or so above the bottom level of the opening. And you'll be amazed at how much better it does. And once again, thank you for watching Big Blue Box. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share. Thank you.